Discover Messianic perspective on Leviticus 25. Unlock the wisdom in the Jubilee Year proclamations, laws of redemption, and resting the land. See how they echo Christ's mission of redemption. Witness how sabbatical years and jubilees foreshadow Jesus' liberating work. Understand the divine rhythm of rest and release intertwined with Jesus' message. Experience the harmonious synergy between Old Testament laws and New Testament grace. Connect the dots and see Jesus in Leviticus 25. Leviticus 25, the Messianic perspective. A chapter that holds the key to understanding the fullness of Christ's redemptive story.